build a simple project and we will understand UART communication. So using STM32 controlling two LED based on the character sent via UART communication, we will demonstrate it in Proteus simulation. So firstly, we will understand what is UART. So UART stand for Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter. It's allows serial data transmissions over just two wires TX and RX. One wire send data and one receive it. So here is few characteristics of the UARTs, how many wires, its duplexity, full duplex, data transfer directions, and maximum device supports. Now we will create the project in STM32CubeIDE, open STM32CubeIDE, create new project. Okay, in the command board selector, you your controller's name. Here I am using STM32 F10366. So click on next and project name UART LED. Now let's configure UART and LED. Under the connectivity, click on UART 1. Mode asynchronous. Now CubeIDE will now auto assigns PA10 and PA9. It will enable RX TX. Now in the parameter setting, baud rates 9600. Other things will be default. Now configure LED pins PB0. Click on PB0 is GPIO output. PB1 same as GPIO output. Now generate the code. Now write the code in the main.c here. Make sure UART is configured successfully. Now in main.c, define buffers to store received UART data. So here we have to define buffer. Okay, that will store 1 byte data at a time. Now in the main function, under the UART initialization, we have to send text so that user will be enter the command. So HL UART transmit, which you are using here, UART 1. So here we are sending text enter input. And what is the size? Size is same HL max. In the while loop, we have to receive HL UART receive function. You have to write here. It's like where that data will be stored. So in buffer, we already declare size of buffer, and timeout. HL max delay. Now we have to check received character if buffer if you user enter A, then turn on LED. HL, GPIO, right pin. So we use GPIO B, like P port, and P, GPIO pin 0, pin state on, and few is delay up 1 second delay, and then turn off the LED. Now, same for if buffer else if just copy it, just change the pin number. Pin 1. Now generate the hex file. Click on build setting. Build the project. Yeah, hex file, it's created successfully. Zero error, zero warning. Now create project in Proteus. New project name, UART LED. Search STM32 F103. Click on OK and place it. Red LED. Connect LED 1 is PB0. Connect other LED to PB1. Now we have to configure power setting. Add unconnected power net. Click on OK. Yeah, that's it. Now we have to add virtual terminal. That is click RxD, connect RxD to the PNI. That is PA9 is a TX pin of the controllers and our TXD transmitter connect to the PA10. So because of PA10 is a receiver, so that's it. Now click on controllers to double click on controllers to add hex. In debug, click on hex, click on OK. Make sure baud rate is 9600, which will be matched for controllers, and that's terminal. Click on run, enter inputs, enter A. First LED will be off, and after 1 second it will be turned on. If you enter B, then X will be. So if you want to say first on, enter B, second on, and it will be turn off after 1 second. If you like this video, give it thumbs up and subscribe and comment your